Clogged condensate drains are one of the most common reasons your air conditioner starts acting up and causing water damage in your home. So, here's the lowdown on why your condensate drain might be clogged. First off, rust can build up inside the drain pipe over time, especially if your AC unit is older or has metal parts exposed to moisture. Then, debris like dust, dirt, and even bits of insulation can get sucked into the drain line and cause blockages. Don't forget about bugs. Tiny critters love crawling into dark, damp places like your condensate drain, and their nests can totally mess things up. To keep things flowing smoothly, make sure you check and clean the drain line regularly by flushing it with a mix of water and vinegar. You can also use a wet-dry vacuum to suck out any gunk clogging the drain. Installing a drain pan with a float switch is a smart move because it shuts off the AC before water spills out if the drain clogs. And if you're not into DIY, calling a pro to inspect and service your AC every year can save you from bigger headaches down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condensate drains is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to rust and debris buildup that blocks water flow. Fix this by scheduling periodic cleanings and inspecting the drain line. Another common issue is letting bugs and critters get inside the drain, causing nests and blockages. Sealing off entry points and using insect repellents can help stop this. Lastly, not having a proper drain pan or float switch means water damage can sneak up on you when the drain clogs. Installing these safety features gives you peace of mind and protects your home. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know all about fixing AC issues like clogged condensate drains. Plus, it helps contractors find work easily so you get reliable help right when you need it.